Hello friends, welcome to my channel Way Towards Spirituality. As we discussed in my last video, we are listening to term spirituality since ancient times, but we need to understand an actual meaning of spirituality, correct? So today, we will go one step inside of it. Friends, in an actual we can't define spirituality with a limited set of definitions because the concept of spirituality is very vast. But with the help of supreme power surrounding to us, we can understand the meaning of spirituality. So from that supreme power itself, I understood spirituality in the following way. Spirituality is nothing but our all-time established connection with our inner soul. अर्थात आध्यात्मिकता म्हणजे आपले आपल्या अंतरात्म्याशी असलेले सततचे कनेक्शन होय. जेव्हा आपण नेहमीसाठी आपल्या अंतरात्म्याशी एकरूप होऊन जाऊ आणि आपल्या अंतरात्म्याचा आवाज ऐकण्यास, समजण्यास आणि त्यानुसार वागण्यास समर्थ राहू, त्यावेळी आपण आध्यात्मिकतेच्या मार्गावर आहोत असे समजावे. Meaning, the moment from which we would be able to listen, understand, and act as per our internal voice, that is, voice of our inner soul. From that moment, we can consider that we are on the path of spirituality. Friends, spirituality is divine source of power which leads us towards our final goal of life. Now, question comes into mind. What is our final goal of life? Friends, can you please let me know in the comment section below? Thanks for watching. Jai Shri Krishna.